morning and welcome to our data center. Successfully completed Excel trading, and we're starting with Power BI. Today we'll be looking at overview of Power BI. Right, I'm sure you have installed Power BI on your system and you should have a shortcut on your desktop. So I'll click on it. So if you're opening a Power BI for the very first time, it may take some time, so patiently wait for it to load. Okay, now my Power BI is coming up. Power BI is used for business analysis. Okay, so and basically we use it for visualization. Well, and it's been developed by Microsoft. Okay, so my Power BI is coming up. I expect you as well to load your Power BI. Now, if you are loading yours for the very first time, you may see an icon that shows get started. Okay, you can look at it now. Okay, so you're seeing get started. Once you click on get started, we ask to enter your details. Let's click on it. So you ask to you be told to enter your detail, your email address that you use in registry, and then your password respectively. Okay, but if you want to jettison that, you can just boycott it and use free trial. The essence of you signing in is so that you can enjoy the server, in the sense that once you do your work in your organization, because usually it's for organizations, they can access your work wherever you are. Somebody in the same organization with you can also access your work and see what you have done. Okay, you don't need to send through email. So through the server, they can access what you have done. Okay, so and it's important that if you want to sign in, you use the institutional mail. Okay, if you want to use personal mail, it will not go. Okay, but if you have institutional mail, maybe for your school or your place of work, you can use it to register. Okay, another way for this is to use a free trial of Microsoft 365. Free trial, you can register from there, get a password, username that you can then use to log in on Power BI. Okay, so I'm going to close this. So if you look at my environment, you notice that you are not seeing something signing. You see the signing in is just there's no name. Okay, because I decided not to sign in. Okay, so now I'll be taking you through the environment of Power BI. Okay, if you look at this, you notice that we have this untitled Power BI, meaning that I have not named this environment. This work I'm doing is not yet named, and that is why it's showing untitled. Okay, now you see this is save. This is your file. Under your file, we have open report as existing report, save as. You want to get data, you want to import, you want to export. Okay, options and get started. Okay, now that's what we have in file ribbon tab. Now for the home ribbon tab, we have different tools there. We have the paste, cut, copy, just like you have in your Microsoft the clipboard group. Then the data group, we have get data. We have Excel workbook, data of SQL saver, enter data, data vars, recent sources that you've connected to in your work. Okay, you can make reference to this. Now transform data, just like you have in query. Okay, then we have new visuals, text box, more visuals, new measure, quick measure, sensitivity, publish. Okay, then we have insert as another group. in our ribbon tab. Under the inside, we have new page, we have new visual, more visuals, we have key influencers as a key performance. Okay, we have composition trees, smart narrative, paginator report, power apps. Okay, you must understand that outside Power BI, Microsoft Office, Microsoft have other software. Okay, that they are called their group under Power Apps. Okay, so you have Power Apps, you have Power Automate Preview, text box, button, shapes, image, and sparklines. Then modeling, right, we did that in Excel. Say it's for relationship. Okay, you are modeling two or more tables together. Okay, when you are showing the relationship between those tables, this way you do that. We have modeling. That you see, this group we have relationships. The second group we have calculations, page refresh, new parameters, F security, should in case you want to secure your work. Okay, language, linguistic schema. Then we have the view group, now ribbon tab. It's a different color. Okay, we have different things. You see this. So we have page view, mobile layer. Should in case you are done and you want to present your layer in form of mobile, in the sense that one can access on a mobile using a mobile layer. This is it. For instance, currently we are on the desktop layout. Okay, grid lines, snap to grid, lock object, filters, bookmark, selections, performance analyzer, and synchronize slicer. Remember, I'm pretty sure you still remember that we made use of slicer in our dashboard, Power Pivot rather in Excel. We use this to filter our dashboard to make our dashboard dynamic. We have optimize, we have post visual refresh, optimization present, performance analyzer, apply all slicers button. We have app. Okay, you can ask Power BI also have a community that you can ask questions. Okay, once you join, okay, you can ask questions, ask guided tutorials. Okay, we must be connected to the internet. All right, so that is that. Then when you look at this, our current default type, our view is a report view. This is where we are. Then we have this. Then we have this the data view. Okay, this is a data view. Then we have the model view, where this view shows the relationship. Okay, let's come back to our report view. Okay, and our report view, that is how we build our visuals, our dashboard. Okay, the data view shows our tables, then the relationship shows our models. Okay, if you look to your right hand side of your dashboard or your report view, okay, you notice we have these visualizations. These are different tools that you can use for your visuals. Look at this. We have line charts, stack bar charts. We have a stack column. We have cluster bar. We have these. We have these. We have donuts. We have pie charts. We have scatter charts. We have funnel. We have field map. We have map. We have gauge. We have card. We have multi-row card. Okay, we have pi. We have R. We have this. Okay, we have all this put together. Okay, these are the tools you'll be using when you are building your dashboard. We call them visuals. So you make use of these for your visual. Okay, then we have of this the data. We haven't loaded any data yet. Okay, so we have this, and I said this is where your report view. Okay, where you put your charts respectively. So okay, now the quick one, I will be showing us how to import data, get data, or invoke data to your Power BI, and then you perform data cleaning. Okay, data cleaning, and then you perform your analysis. It is important that you perform data cleaning on your worksheets before you go ahead with the visuals. Remember at the beginning of the training, we laid emphasis on data entry, and that is why it is important you master your Excel very well, because we'll be connecting to the sources here. Okay, now if you look at this, come under your home, come to get data. You see, we have common data sources. We have Excel workbook. We have Power BI data sets. So we have data flows. We have data vars, SQL. We have SCSV or text file, web or data. And this, you can click on more, so you can see more of it. Okay. So waiting for it to load. So see coming up. So you can as well connect to Azure file. Okay, you can connect to AWS file. Okay, respectively. So these are different data sources that you can look at it. We have XML, JSON, PDF, packets, share folder, access. Okay, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake. So these are different data sources that you can import into your work, into your Power BI, and then you perform data cleaning, and thereafter data you perform your visuals. Right. So basically, we have considered the overview of Power BI. I want to encourage you to please play around with all the tools we have here. Now, next class will be invoking data sets on Excel workbook, and I'm going to send that to our group, to the group, the class group. We perform data transformations before our visuals. Do well to subscribe to the group. Thank you for listening.